Okay, here we are back out in the greenhouse for the weekly update. Everything's looking good and healthy and happy. Been a bit of a mixed bag this last week. Whole bunch of snow, whole bunch of rain, dull, dreary days. So these lights have been certainly a good help in the greenhouse. Everything's looking really good. So here is the box that has no supplemental lighting, and it's, getting thick and happy. Very few, if any, buds coming on it. So it's a little bit behind the supplemental lights. But one thing I thought I would do today, you might ask, these maxi caps, is it worthwhile going on the internet, getting a couple of these boxes shipped to you? Well, what I did is I brought in this tomato plant. It was germinated the same as everybody else. That's a Rio Grande. And it's been outside in the sun, kept warm at night, kept moist. Look at the size of it. And look at the size of this guy. So there's no comparison at all between using these maxi cap boxes and just planting your tomatoes in the dirt, or using them, in a pot or whatever. These maxi caps work really good. Maxi Cap International with a fax number as well. But yeah, these are great boxes, I think. So moving, let me just get the height picture there. So moving over here to the Mars Hydro, everything's it's bushier, it's healthier, it's bigger, way more suckers running. I'm gonna have to spend a couple hours out here trimming. So it's really doing good. And every plant has got buds coming on it. Come over here underneath the Bloom Plus, and they're doing good too. They might not have as much vegetative growth as under the Mars Hydro. It's hard to tell, but it's looking really good. But the one that I like the best is over here underneath my Growtronics. It budded out first, and it's got the biggest buds going at the moment. And yeah, so it's really doing good. And everybody's looking healthy and happy. I didn't water the boxes this week, and they've drank a bit, but not much. It's been cool. Just about every night has been freezing. So the growth has slowed down, and they're not drinking as much water. So I'm going to leave them for another week, and then I'm going to change over to my 20-20-20 fertilizer. More balanced fertilizer than the 28-10-10 high nitrogen I've been using. So that's it for this week. Again, I'll just take this little plant. There he is. I'll put him over here. You can really tell the difference. The stems of the tomatoes in the maxi cap boxes are way thicker. There's way more leaves. They're starting to bloom. I love this system. Been using it for a long time. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope no matter where you are, you are enjoying the day, have a great one. Cheers.